Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce the file size of your original video without losing its resolution or the quality of the video. Now, the needed application is video compressor, Panda video compressor. I will leave a link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's jump right to today's tutorial. You are welcome back. So let's start by opening up the video compressor. Okay. So let me select any of the video. Probably I'll select something reasonable. Okay, so you can see I have a file here which is 1 minute 35 seconds, and you can see the file here which is 103 megabytes. Okay, this is a video I created of recent, which I uploaded on YouTube, though this was not the main file I uploaded. So I just want to show you how to reduce the file size of your video, and with that you still have the resolution. Okay, so we are reducing the file size without affecting the resolution of the video. So we have different options here which this Panda video compressor gives us. Now, among there are various options, so I'll just explain in brief. Now, this small file, simply what it does is it reduces both the quality of the video and also reduce the resolution of the video. You can try it out yourself. Now, but I'm just explaining. So once you select this, and after it's done, you notice that there's a difference between the original video and the main video, and the compressed video rather, which we don't want. Okay, what we just need is we want this size to be reduced. Okay, now the medium is more or less like the small file, but the difference is the resolution, and it's a little bit slower than the small file size. Okay, so the one I use is the large file, just compressed. That is, what it does is it retains the resolution of our video, but it reduces the size of the video. Okay, so and this is what we want to use. Now you have other options there, so let's look at this. Fit to mail. Now the main function of this is probably you created a video for someone and your client, or you want to send a video through email or Yahoo. So the maximum file you can send it is 25 megabytes to this type of platform. Likewise, WhatsApp and other software, likewise WhatsApp, Outlook, Hotmail, and the rest. Okay, so this is their maximum. So if we select on WhatsApp, you can see 60 megabytes, and I click on OK. Now what it does is it will reduce the quality of the video, and it also reduce the resolution. Okay, that will fit the WhatsApp. So the end result might not give you what you need. So I always prefer you stick to the large file, though it takes time in terms of compressing, but it's worth it. Okay, so large file, so select on that and select compress. Now So at this point, what you need to do is just give it time to do its thing. So I'll be fast forwarding the video at this point. So from what we could see here, the original file size is this, and look at the compressed file size now, and we still retain the resolution of the video. So let's compare both. So this is the compressed file which we just achieved, and this is the original file. Okay, so let me play this for some.
Hi, I'm Mike. You're welcome to Femtech Studio. Here you learn advanced 3D animation using platforms like DAZ Studio, iClone 7, and lots more.
Okay, so you could see this is the original file, original video rather. Alright, so let me play the compressed one.
You're welcome to Femtech Studio. Here you learn advanced 3D animation using platforms like DAZ Studio, iClone.
So you could see, as you could see, what it does is to reduce the file size and to retain the quality or the resolution of the video, so which is being achieved now. Alright, so you have different options here. You have the do again, that is probably you want to let it restart from those options, from the small file to the medium file to the large file. So you could just click on video again if you're not satisfied. Replay simply means, do you want the compressed file video to overwrite the original file, so you just have just one video. Share simply means do you want to share it to which of the platform do you have on your phone, do you want to share to anyone using your WhatsApp or any other Telegram or whatever app you have on your phone. So save simply means it will save both the original file and the compressed file together. That is, you'll be having two videos on this aspect. So as for me, what I always prefer to do is to select replace. That is, it will I always prefer the compressed file to overwrite the original file, so that I could still retain more space on my mobile device. Okay, so then what I do is, you can see original video will be overwritten by the compressed video. You regain 64 megabytes free space. Yes, so select OK, and you can see replace is done. Then I select OK. So that is it. Alright, open your gallery and let's go down to Video Panda. So from the Video Panda, this is the file itself. You've just overwritten, you've just saved rather, and I can decide to also share it to anyone, or it all depends on what I want to do. Okay, so that is it, guys. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.